Today I'm going to show you how to join a Telegram X group or channel in just a few simple steps. This is a quick tutorial for anyone who wants to find the official Telegram X community, developers group, or related channels like pull requests and APK build info. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once it loads, look for the search bar at the top of the screen and tap it. This search tool is the fastest way to find groups, channels, and public communities on Telegram. Now type Telegram X into the search bar. As the results appear, look through the list carefully and find the one you want to join. For example, if you want the official developer community, tap Telegram X, Developers. If you want other related communities, you can also choose Telegram X, Pull Requests, or Telegram X APKs and Build Info. After you open the group or channel page, you'll see the join option at the bottom or near the top, depending on the device you're using. Simply tap Join Group or Join Channel. That's all you need to do. Once you've joined, you can start viewing the posts, updates, announcements, or discussions depending on whether it's a channel or a group. If it's a group, you may also be able to participate and message other members. If it's a channel, you'll mainly receive updates and shared posts. If you searched and didn't see the exact result you wanted, try typing the name again carefully, since Telegram search results can sometimes show multiple similar communities. You can also scroll through the search results to make sure you're selecting the correct Telegram X page. And that's it. You now know how to join a Telegram X group or channel. It only takes a few taps, and now you can stay connected with updates, developer discussions, or build information. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.